Hello friends, welcome back to my channel YouTube StudyPoint. In this video, we cover rest 61 question of combined Geoscientist exam paper 2 for Geology and Hydrogeology. Okay, let's get started. Let's see the question. Question number 61. The trilobite having larger pygidium than the cephalon are known as dash. Given option are option A microphagous, option B heterophagous, option C isophagous, option D macrophagous. Right answer is option D macrophagous. In microphagous, pygidium is considerably smaller than the cephalon. Next, heterophagous. Heterophagous here, pygidium is very significantly from the shape and from the thoracic segments. And isophagous, here the cephalon and the pygidium are more or less of equal size. So, these three are wrong. Right one is option D macrophagous. Next, question number 62. The type of dentition in bivalves consisting of small simple teeth near the edge of the valve is known as. Right answer is option A taxodont. Next question number 64. The planktic larvae formed by hatching of gastropods eggs are known as, this is known as procopods. Right answer is option A. Next, which one of the following major changes has not been observed during the evolutionary history of the horse? Right answer is option A, increase in the number of toes, because this is not considered in evolutionary history of horse, but these three are considered. Question number 63. Consider the following statement regarding cephalopods. Here given three statements regarding cephalopods. Statement 1. The cephalopods are marine, are one of the highly evolved mollusca. This is right. Next, statement 2. The class Cephalopoda is classified into three subclasses. This is right. Nautiloida, Ammonoida, Colloida. This is right. Next, statement 3. The only living cephalopods genus with a coiled external shell is Nautilus. This is also right. So, right answer is option D, both 1, 2 and 3. 66. Which one of the following hominin species was first the widespread human spread across Africa, Europe, Asia? So, right answer is option A, Homo erectus, because this species spread through Eurasia, but these three are this only found in South Africa. This species found in South Africa only, and this is only East Africa. So, the right answer is Homo erectus. Next, question number 67. Which one of the following is not a Upper Gondwana plant fossil? So, here is given four options. Option A Autogamites, option B Dictygomites, option C Nielsonia, option D Eryphylum. The right answer is option D Eryphylum, because these three are belongs to Upper Gondwana. Next, question number 68. The blocks of Great Pyramids of Giza near Cairo are composed of limestone containing what? Right answer is option A Nuwellites. Next, question number 69. Which one of the following is a Lower Gondwana root fossil? Right answer is option D Vertebraria, because this is only here the Lower Gondwana root fossil Vertebraria belongs to Tarche formation. Next, question number 72. The line joining the point of equal thickness of a particular stratigraphy unit on different part of sedimentary basin is known as what? Right answer is option D isopatch, because here given the thickness of equal joining point for a particular stratigraphy unit. But isoheight, this belongs to a line on a map connecting points having same amount of rainfall in a given time period. And option B isonave is belongs to a line on a map connecting points that have the same average percentage of cloudiness. Isobath used in a map, it is an imaginary line that connects some depth below the water surface. Question number 73. The peninsular niches are typically of what? Right answer is option D magmatic niches. Question number 70. Which one of the following show the correct arrangement of the epochs or series in order to decreasing age in the standard geological time. Right answer is option A, because this is the right sequence or order. This is the right order of decreasing age. First is Mississippian, then Cenozoic, then Eocene, then Pliocene. Next, question number 71. Which one of the following is a chronostratigraphic unit? This is a time unit, chronostratigraphy. So, right answer is option B, system. These are wrong. Next, question number 74. Shimoga schist belt constitutes a part of what? Given option are option A, Dharwar cratonic area, option B, Singham cratonic area, option C, Aravalli cratonic area, option D, Central India tectonic zone. Right answer is option D, Dharwar cratonic area. Next, question number 75. Ajabgarh group belongs to dash. Right answer is option C, North Delhi fault belt, because Ajabgarh group belongs to Delhi supergroup. Next, question number 76. Which one of the following is not a structural trap for oil and gas deposit? Here is given 4 options. Option A, terrace, option B, salt dome, option B, fault species, option D, up deep wedging of sand. These 3 are structural trap for oil and gas deposit, but this is not a structural trap. Right answer is option D. Next one, question number 78. Match list 1 and list 2. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Here is given in list 1 geological belt and provinces, and list 2 gives metals and mineral in ore. So, in Saucer belt, what mineral deposits found? Manganese. So, A4. And Chhattarpur coastal tract famous for heavy mineral. So, this is 3. Dharwar greenstone belt, this is 4. Gold. And North Delhi fault belt, this is for copper. Right answer is option B, A4, B3, C2, D1. Let's see question number 77. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Here is asked not correctly matched. So, Hutti, this is for only gold. So, not for placer deposit. And Jaduguda, this is in Singham district. So, this is famous for uranium deposit, and this is the first uranium mine in India. Next, Hospet. This is famous for iron deposit, and here find many iron mines also. So, Hospet is in Karnataka. Malachkhand famous for copper deposits is in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Next, question number 79. What is the average drawdown over 150 square kilometer area where 30 million cubic meter of water is pumped through a number of uniformly distributed well? So, here is given specific yield is 25%. By applying specific yield formula, we get the answer option A, 0.8 meter. Next, question number 80. Which one of the following statement is correct about thickness of capillary zone? So, option A, thickness of capillary zone varies directly with pore size of soil. This is incorrect. Thickness of the capillary zone varies inversely with the pore size in soil. This is right. So, right answer is option B. Next, question number 82. Which one of the following is the unit of transmissivity? So, we know transmissivity is equal to K into B. This is hydraulic conductivity. So, the unit of hydraulic conductivity is meter per day and thickness meter. Next, multiply this, we found meter square per day, or the right answer is option B, meter per day. Next, question number 83. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding applicability of Darcy law? Here is given some option and asked the correct applicability of Darcy law. So, option A, Darcy law is applicable for turbulent flow in any medium. This is incorrect because Darcy law is not applicable in turbulent flow. Option B, Darcy law is applicable for laminar flow. This is right, in a saturated porous medium. The right answer is option B. Next, question number 81. If rho m is the density of mineral particles and rho d is the bulk density, then the porosity alpha of rock can be expressed as yes. So, So we know porosity is alpha is equal to 1 minus bulk density divided by particle density. So 1 minus rho d by rho m is equal to rho m minus rho d. Right answer is option D. Next, question number 84. If grains in aquifer materials have same sorting, packing, fabric, then which one of the following relationship is correct about expected hydraulic conductivity of aquifer material? We know hydraulic conductivity is measure the ability of material to transmit fluid through pore space or fracture, and increases hydraulic conductivity also increases. So right answer is option A, gravel, because in gravel maximum hydraulic conductivity show and then sand and then silt, less in silt. Right answer is option A. Next comes to question number 85. The Reynolds number of a fluid in a conduct is 12 if the velocity of flow is increased twice and the diameter of the conduct is reduced to 1/3. What will be the new Reynolds number? So we know Reynolds number is equal to rho Vd by mu. Here rho is the fluid density and V is the fluid velocity and D is the pipe diameter and mu is the fluid dynamic viscosity. So by question the velocity is increased by twice, so into 2V, and diameter is reduced to 1/3, so D by 3. We take 2 by 3 is common, rho Vd by mu. Here is given, this is Reynolds formula or Reynolds number. So here is given 12 into 12. Right answer is 8. Next, question number 88. The disease methanoglobemia is infant is caused due to excessive concentration of which one of the following constituents in water? Answer is option D, nitrate. Next, question number 86. In a groundwater sample, the concentration of Ca and Mg are 100 parts per million and 50 parts per million respectively. What is the total hardness of this groundwater? Here is asked the hardness. So we know hardness is equal to Ca into 2.5 plus Mg into 4.1. By putting the data in that formula, we get 100 into 2.5 and Mg concentration gives 50 into 4.1. So multiplying these we found 250, here 205, and adding this we get 455 parts per million. Right answer is option D, 455 parts per million. Next, number 89. Artificial recharge of groundwater is generally done by digging pits and shafts in an area where the previously formation are. So right answer is option A, at shallow depth. Next, question number 87. In a groundwater sample, the concentration of NaCa and Mg are 15, 12, 6 equivalent parts per million respectively. What is the sodium absorption ratio value this groundwater sample? So SAR, sodium absorption ratio, by applying the formula, SAR is equal to Na by root over of Ca plus Mg by 2. Then put the data, 15 by root over of 12 plus 6 by 2, 15 by 18 by 2 root over, that is 15 by 9 root over is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Right answer is option B, 5. Question number 90. The general range of width of ditch in ditch furrow method artificial recharge of groundwater is range between 0.3 meter to 1.8 meter. Next, question number 91. The sharpness and thickness of a grain size frequency curve is referred to as kurtosis. Right answer is option B, kurtosis. Next, question number 92. Consider the following statement regarding origin and distribution of different sedimentary rocks through geological edges. Here is given three statements. Statement 1, relative volume of cell per unit edge has remained nearly constant since Precambrian. This is wrong. Statement 2, iron-rich sedimentary rocks preserved per unit edge have decreased in post-Cambrian. This is right. Statement 3, preserved carbonate rocks per unit edge have decreased in the post-Precambrian time. This is right. So, option 2 and 3 are right. Right answer is option B, 2 and 3 only. Next, question number 94. The depth of the surface wave affect a water body is referred to as wave base. Right answer is wave base. Next, question number 95. Which one of the following diagnostic features of wave ripple cross bedding? Here is given 4 statement regarding wave ripple cross bedding. Chevron upbuilding faucet, this is right. Bundle upbuilding of faucet, this is right. Offshooting and wrapping faucet, this is right. Saloon lenticular set, this is also right. Right answer is option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 93. Intercrystalline porosity represents. Here is given intercrystalline. The right answer is option A, pore space between chemically formed crystal. Next, question number 96. Consider the following statement regarding reactivation surface in a cross strata set. Here is given 4 statement regarding cross strata. So statement 1, they attribute to modification in previously formed bedrock. This is right. Next, they form due to erosion by wave or current. This is also right. They form due to change in flow direction. This is also right. They form due to erosion resulting from interaction of bed form. Yeah, this is also right. Right answer is option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, question number 98. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So, in option C, wake stone is incorrect because we know grain content not less than 10%, this is greater than 10%. So, right answer is option C, this is not correctly matched. Question number 97. Which one of the following assemblage correctly represent coated and non-skeletal allochem in carbonate rock? So, here is the right answer is option D, weights, pissoirs and oncoids, because weights are coated sedimentary grains, pissoirs and oncoids are non-skeletal carbonate rocks. So, right answer is option D. Question number 99. Which one of the following arrangement correctly represents the sub-environment from land to seaward direction in shallow marine setting? So, right answer is option A, go towards the sea. We found first backshore, then swash zone, then source zone and then shallowing zone. Question number 100. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. Here is given in list 1 features and list 2 sedimentary environment. So, moraine we know moraine form in glacier and natural levee is related to meandering river and hummocky cross strata is related to shelf and worm is related to shore. So, right answer is option B, A for B3, C1, D2. Next, question number 101. A bay head delta develop commonly in this. We know a bay head delta form in wave dominated estuary. Right answer is option B. Next, come to question number 102. Next, question number 102. Which one of the following is the characteristic of pressure solution process during diagenesis of carbonate rocks? Given options are deformation of sediment filled circular burrow, this is not correct. Conversion of grain for lime liquid to grain supported, this is incorrect. Next, coursing of cells and weights are fracturing, this is not correct. Formation of interpenetrating suture contact between grain, this is right. Right answer is option D. Next, question number 103. Consider the following statement. The state of preservation of fossils depends on. Here is given 4 statement regarding the state of preservation of fossil. That statement 1, structure and composition of the cell, original cells. This is depends on. Then nature of grain size of the enclosing sediment, this is also right. Chemical condition at the time of sedimentation, this is also right. and diagenesis taking place in the rock after deposition. This is also right. So right answer is option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, when holotype has been lost, a new specimen of previously described species designated to serve as the type of specimen is known as. This is known as neotype. Next, question number 105. The earliest brachiopods are of dash. We know earliest brachiopods are formed in early Cambrian. So right answer is option A in lower Cambrian. Next, come to question number 106. Which one of the following formation contains some of richest manganese deposit of India? Right answer is option A, Mansar, that is belongs to Saucer group. Okay. Question number 107. Which one of the following groups comprises Bijli rhyolites? Right answer is option B, Nandgaon. Next, come to question number 110. Which one of the following stratigraphic units was deposited in a foreland basin? So here is asked which one of the following is a foreland basin. So foreland basin is a structural basin developed adjacent and parallel to the mountain belts. So right answer is option C. This is Shivalik supergroup. In question number 111, the correct stratigraphic order of Shivalik group is. The right order is option D. First one is Kamlia, next Chinji, next Nagri, Dokwatan, Tetrod, Pinjur, Boulder conglomerate. Kamlia and Chinji, these are lower Shivalik group, and Nagri and Dokwatan, these are middle, and Tetrod, Pinjur and Boulder conglomerate, these are upper Shivalik group. Next, question number 108. Mahakasal groups belongs to this. Right answer is option C, Central India tectonic zone. Question number 109. Which one of the formation of the Vindhyan supergroup contain well preserved stromatolite? Right answer is Khenjua. In Khenjua formation, stromatolites are found. Next, 112. Which one of the following statement regarding strata bound deposit is not correct? Here is asked not correct. So option A, strata bound deposits can be discordant. This is right. Next, strata bound deposits are restricted to a particular part of the stratigraphic columns. This is also right. Option C, all stratiform ore deposits are strata bound. This is also right. All strata bound deposits are stratiform. This is wrong because not all strata bound deposits are stratiform. So answer is option D. Question number 113. Consider the following statement regarding wall rock alteration. So here is given two statements regarding wall rock alteration. So statement 1 says that the transformation of cave feldspar to sericides is a common alteration process in hydrothermal system. This is right. And next, hydration is the process of removal of molecular water from a liquid into a mineral during alteration. This is right. But statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. So answer is option A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct, but statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 2. Next, come to 115. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. List 1 here given host rock and list 2 gives the nature of ore. So pegmatite nature of ore is ore of lithium, Nb and Ta, and carbonate ore of light rare earth elements, and layer ultramafic intrusions are chromite ores, and comatites are Ni dominated sulfide ore. Right answer is option A, A1, B2, C4, D3. 114. Which one of the following term may be used to refer W and Sn rich rock comprising hydrothermal alteration, assemblage of quartz, muscovite, topaz, fluorite and tourmaline? So right answer is option C, Greenstone. Question number 116. Consider the following statement regarding phosphorites deposits. Here is given two statements regarding phosphorites deposit. So statement 1, phosphorite often show a texture of nodular and ploidal aggregates of fine grained apatite. This is right. It show fine grained apatites and nodular aggregates. And during phosphorite formation, apatite never grow diagenetically in the sediment columns. This is wrong. So right answer is option B, 1 only. Next come to question number 117. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. In list 1 gives elements names and list 2 gives the classification term. We know beryllium is the example of lithophile and helium is the example of atmophile and zinc is the example of chalcophile and platinum is the example of siderophile. So, right answer is option B, A4, B3, C2, D1. Next, question number 119. Consider the following statement regarding oxidation of sulfide deposits. So, statement 1, Gaussian are rich in chalcopyrite. This is wrong. Statement 2, Gaussian are eagerly sought by mineral prospectors. This is right. So, right answer is option D. Next, come to question number 118. Which one of the following deposit type is unlikely to be preserved due to rapid erosion after its formation? So, given option are option A, orogenic gold deposit, hydrothermal tungsten deposit, option C, peridotite hosted chromite deposits, and option D, AUHG epithermal deposits. Right answer is option D, because this is only deposits unlikely preserved due to rapid erosions. Next, this is last one. If oil wet cells are in contact with water wet sandstone, the water tends to move from sandstone pores into cells for the placement and they displace the oil therefrom into adjacent sandstone. In this process, which one of the following fluid properties and natural forces has no bearing? So, here is asked that which one is not correct. So, right answer is gravity. If you like my video, please don't forget to do one like, one share and to do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.